How to fix MacBook won't turn on and is stuck in black screen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If your MacBook is not turning on or is stuck on a black screen, then it might be due to software glitch, power issue, or display problem, and it can be fixed within few minutes. So the first fix is to force restart your MacBook. So go ahead and press and hold the power button for at least 10 seconds and then wait for the Apple logo or start up sound. If the screen stays black, try again. This clears temporary power or firmware issues. See if the issue was fixed or not, and if not, you can also try to check display brightness or external display. Sometimes the Mac is on but the display is dim or not working, so you can try to press the F2 or tap the Touch ID key and then connect to an external monitor via USB-C lightning cable. Now, use a flashlight at an angle to check for a faint image, that is the backlight issue. If it works on an external monitor, your internal display might be faulty, not the whole Mac. The next fix is to charge your MacBook for 10 to 30 minutes. If the battery is deeply drained, it might take time before anything shows up. So plug it into a wall charger and not a power bank. Use the original Apple USB-C charger and cable. Let it charge without pressing any buttons for at least 30 minutes and then do a force restart again. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, you can boot it into recovery mode. So try to force your M2 Mac into macOS recovery. To do that, press and hold the power button until you see loading startup options. If it works, you can reinstall macOS or use Disk Utility to check your drive. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix MacBook won't turn on and is stuck in black screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.